Suspended monorail trains in Japan are a unique mode of transportation that resemble an upside-down train. These trains move beneath the rail, creating the illusion of inversion, and have gained popularity both as public transit and on tourist routes. The primary distinction from traditional monorails is that the carriages are suspended under the rail rather than mounted on top. This design provides a striking visual effect and offers extensive potential for passenger transport in densely urbanized areas. These trains can reach speeds of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour, with some models designed for high-speed routes capable of reaching 100 kilometers per hour. Their capacity ranges from 100 to 300 passengers, depending on the length of the train and its model. Suspended monorails are considered safe even in seismically active regions. Special vibration absorption technologies minimize the impact of earthquakes. The compact design of the rail system allows routes to be constructed in densely populated cities without disrupting urban infrastructure. Panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of surrounding nature or urban landscapes. With no harmful emissions, these trains are among the most environmentally friendly modes of transport. Introducing the latest multi-purpose Japanese helicopter of the future, the SH-60L. The SH-60L is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, including patrolling maritime territories, combating submarines and surface targets, conducting rescue operations, and participating in humanitarian missions. For instance, it is actively used to guard Japan's maritime borders, prevent illegal activities, assist distressed vessels, evacuate victims, and deliver humanitarian aid. The SH-60L is manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries under license from the American company Sikorsky. The helicopter is equipped with two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, providing high power and reliability. Its maximum speed reaches 270 kilometers per hour with a flight range of approximately 830 kilometers and an autonomous flight duration of up to 4 hours. The SH-60L's armament includes anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and automatic cannons for defense against small targets. Joby Aviation, in collaboration with Toyota, has developed a revolutionary electric flying vehicle named the N5423JX, also known as Concept EY. The N5423JX boasts high aerodynamic efficiency, a maximum speed of up to 320 kilometers per hour, and a flight range of approximately 240 kilometers. Its fully electric powertrain ensures zero carbon dioxide emissions, while its low noise level makes it suitable for densely populated areas. The primary applications of the Concept EY are yet to be fully disclosed, but it represents humanity's transition to the mobility of the future. At the heart of the Concept EY is a powerful artificial intelligence system named UI, which learns many human-like traits from the driver. The Concept EY features extensive glass areas and guillotine-style doors. Its minimalist interior design accommodates 4 passengers, with technical data and multimedia information displayed on a large screen inside the cabin. Additionally, UI can communicate with people outside the vehicle using various light signals and even text messages. The Japanese appear determined to revolutionize the future of cargo transportation with the development of the K-Racer X1 by Kawasaki. This unmanned vertical takeoff and landing aircraft integrates cutting-edge technologies from various sectors of the company. The K-Racer X1 is powered by a 1,000 cubic centimeters supercharged engine from a Ninja H2R motorcycle, delivering approximately 310 horsepower. This provides high performance and a payload capacity of up to 100 kilograms. The aircraft is designed to address logistical challenges in hard-to-reach locations, such as mountainous regions or disaster-stricken areas where traditional delivery methods are impractical. The K-Racer X1 can cover distances of up to 100 kilometers at a speed of about 140 kilometers per hour, making it an efficient solution for rapid cargo delivery. Kawasaki has also integrated a robotic assistant into the system for automated loading and unloading of goods. In 2024, the company unveiled an upgraded version, the K-Racer X2, featuring an increased rotor diameter and a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms. A growing number of automotive companies have recently begun exploring a fundamentally new type of transport, flying taxis. These vehicles will not need to stop at every intersection for a red light, will never get stuck in traffic, and can deliver passengers to virtually any point in the city. Additionally, they produce no harmful emissions as their engines run on electricity. Recently, Hyundai, in partnership with Uber and the Japanese National Institute, unveiled a concept for a new transportation system designed to replace traditional taxis. The air taxi features rotatable propeller motors that provide lift during vertical takeoff and function as propulsion units during horizontal flight. The air taxi, which can accommodate up to 5 people, is capable of flying at an altitude of up to 600 m at a speed of approximately 300 kilometers per hour. Its maximum flight range will be 100 kilometers. Introducing a fascinating development by Korean and Japanese engineers named the Weep Cyberfold, an innovative electric scooter that combines cutting-edge technology, high performance, and a futuristic design. This scooter stands out with its power and unique construction. Equipped with 2 motors delivering a combined peak power of up to 40,000 watts, the Cyberfold can achieve speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. Its Samsung battery operating at 72 volts with capacity of 60 amp-hours provides a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for long journeys. The Cyberfold's unique folding mechanism not only gives it a futuristic appearance, but also makes it compact and convenient for storage. Designed with premium materials, the scooter features an integrated cooling system to maintain optimal motor performance even under heavy loads. Bell, a company renowned for its aviation innovations, has unveiled the Bell Nexus Air Taxi project, offering an advanced solution for urban mobility. The Bell Nexus is a vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle designed to transport passengers through densely populated urban environments. Equipped with a hybrid electric propulsion system, the Bell Nexus ensures high efficiency and minimizes environmental impact. This flying vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers and 1 pilot, providing a fast and convenient means of city travel, bypassing traffic and significantly reducing travel time. The vehicle weighs 2,720 kilograms and has a maximum flight range of 240 kilometers, a distance it is expected to cover within 1 hour. Bell is actively working to integrate the Bell Nexus into urban infrastructure, collaborating with partners and regulators to develop an ecosystem for air mobility.